How to do a sumo squat using a weightless bar. 1. Stance. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart and toes pointed out at about 45 degrees. 2. Grip the bar. Hold the weightless bar with both hands, slightly wider than shoulder width, and rest it across your upper back trapezius, not your neck. Alternatively, you can hold it in front rack, or overhead if practicing posture and mobility. 3. Posture. Keep your chest up. Pull your shoulder blades slightly together. Engage your core. Keep your spine neutral. Movement, the sumo squat. 1. Inhale and begin to lower into a squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. 2. Keep your knees in line with your toes. They should track outward, not collapse inward. 3. Go down until your thighs are parallel to the floor or slightly below, depending on mobility. 4. Keep the bar stable on your back or overhead, if you're doing overhead variation. 5. Keep your back straight and avoid leaning too far forward. Return to start. 1. Push through your heels and midfoot. 2. Squeeze your glutes and inner thighs as you rise. Please check my next video.